Hello and welcome to my Tinkercad project. It is Tyler here. So, for the start of the project, this whole perimeter of the project, this big rectangle, is a total of 537 units. How I found that out? Well, I should connect the whole thing first and group it. So 341 degrees is this whole line here. And over here is 252, and I added them together. That's as easy as it is. So, okay, next on our list we have a right angle. So, to get at it from here, this is a right angle right here. It is that triangle right there. Not this one over here, not the other brown one. Of this house right here, this right angle. That is it right there. I think you guys can see it. Whoa, what the? Okay, multicolored. Thank you very much, Tinkercad. Okay, this is an acute angle right here. See how it's smaller than 90 degrees? Like 90 degrees would be like this. That would be 90, but it is like half of 90, kind of. It is an acute. That's what it's called. So, okay, now we have an obtuse. So this is the obtuse right here, this green one right here. So it is bigger than 90 degrees. Like 90 degrees would be like here or so. It is bigger. That's an obtuse angle. So we have a scalene. So this black one right here is a scalene. It is like a triangle, I guess you could call it, moved to the side. It's kind of hard to explain, but that is a scalene right there. That black one. Okay, so next we have an isosceles, which is this yellow one right here. This yellow one, it has an unequal bottom, but both of these sides are equal. That is an isosceles. Okay, now I have to get to this one over here. I don't know if I can get there. Oh, yeah, I can. Okay. So this is a equilateral right here. So all the sides are equal. So if you were to flip it over, it would still be the same shape, unlike the isosceles. Okay, so this over here is a trapezoid. This red shape. It almost looks like there's a triangle here, and a square in the middle. That is what a trapezoid is. So, okay, there's a 45-degree angle right here in this green one, right here. So it is half of 90. So 90 would be like that. See how it's kind of half of 90 degrees. So if you were to put like a roof or something there, it would be half of 90. 45-degree angle. Okay, so next we have a 90-degree angle, which is a pretty simple angle. And it is this brown one right here. Again, one of the ones I pointed out near the start. It is 90 degrees is that. So, you know how this 45-degree was like that? It was half of it. Half of 45. So 45 plus 45 equals 90. So that's a 90-degree angle. Okay, next we have a 180, which is probably one of the simplest angles ever. It is basically just a line like this. A line, that's what it is. Okay, next we have the calculations of this triangle, the 45, and an acute angle that I did. So it is A equals half of 10 times 20, which is 200, but it's half, so it is 100 square centimeters, or units, I guess you could call it. Okay, so the parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, aka a rhombus. So this right here, this blue one. Okay, so this blue one, so it is A equals 38 times 27, which equals 1026 units squared. This parallelogram or rhombus, you can call it whatever you want. Okay, so this trapezoid here, or trapezoid way over here, it's kind of hard to find. I have to go way over here. This red one, we've covered it already. So this area is A equals 50 times 20, which is 1,000. And then 50 times 60, which equals 3,000. Okay, so we divide 3,000 by 1,000, which equals, well, I guess the whole area of this is basically 323 units squared. So that's it. Yeah, that's my Tinkercad project. So thank you, and bye.